In this guide, I will share with you step by step how to spend your Nectar points on Sainsburys Groceries. If you want to spend your Nectar points, follow me in these steps. First step, guys, you can collect and spend points with Sainsburys by linking your Nectar cards and Sainsburys account. So, guys, you should be linked your card in store by scanning your Nectar cards. All you have to do after click add Nectar to your account, Nectar cards, and this is the first step. When you click add your Nectar cards, you will see this page, add your card here, all details from your card, Nectar card. And then, guys, after that, you can shopping and you can spend your points with Nectar, and you can save this one 2.9 pounds. You can save this one. Just click add your cards. And after click add your card, you will be complete your purchase steps by logging your account, and then you will see this page, guys. For example, I see spend, guys, as you can see, spend Nectar points. And after that, guys, as I say, you will see this page just like this one, and then you can scan, just click scan card or spend points. This is, for example, your points that I have. This is how you can do, guys. It is easy steps. I hope this guide helpful for you. See you on other videos soon. You have this point, for example, guys, and just click scan this one, and you will be redirected to Nectar Sainsbury's website, and then you can spend easily without any problem. I hope this guide helpful for you, guys. Don't forget to give like and share this video.